What is broad collision coverage? Youth driver insurance is designed to protect teens while they drive. Teens most likely love to drive for the reason that they can go anywhere they like with their friends and dates. Teens love freedom to have fun and to think they feel they are invincible when they drive. When they start to drive and get their driver license, mostly parents have sleepless nights since the teen category of drivers belongs to high-risk group, and for sure their premium insurance cost is higher. Although not all insurance companies have same rates with each other. But as parents they always give what is best for their teenager, right? There are many cars insurance companies consider drivers under the age of 25 a high-risk driver for vehicle-related accidents. Some teenager driver drive wildly. It is because their hormones are always in the state of being aggressive, especially when they have teenager girls inside their car. More young people between the ages of 16 to 20 are involved in car accidents, car crashes and other kind of car accidents. Some even die because of car accident, and this is one of the main reasons why car or auto insurance is higher rates on their teen auto insurance. Parents should set as model in safe driving to their teenager. Teach them how to drive safely and carefully. Explain to your teenager why driving recklessly is not good, and always avoid traffic violation to avoid tickets. Enforce the rules to your teenager when, where and how the teenage may drive the car and with whom. Add some features to your car such as alarm, anti-lock brakes, automatic seatbelt and traction control, and most important is the side impact airbags. Before you buy insurance for your teen driver, start to shop around and find insurance company that has a good coverage benefit for your young. Compare the price and be sure the cost or rate fits your budget. Since there are so many insurance companies, for sure their prices and coverage policy are competitive. Be sure to insure your teenage driver to a reputable insurance company that is known for long years of service. You can also shop online through the internet, where searching or exploring the different website of car or auto insurance company is very convenient. You can also compare the rates of auto insurance in an easy way without sweat or any hassle such as traffic or parking space. You can have your own time and day to shop because shopping online is open 24/7.